Well, tonight we continue to remember former President George H.W. Bush. His body is lying in state tonight in the U.S. Capitol Rotunda in Washington, D.C. And it will be there until Wednesday morning, right before a state funeral at the Washington National Cathedral, followed by a burial back down south in Texas. Now, today's ceremony at the Capitol included some poignant tributes from American dignitaries. Take a listen.
In consequential times, George Herbert Walker Bush demonstrated the finest qualities of our nation and of humankind. A great leader and a good man.
And former Indiana Governor Mitch Daniels remembering 41 tonight. Daniels served as chief political advisor to President Ronald Reagan while Bush was vice president.
On my last day at the White House, at that time at the Reagan White House, I got a message, the vice president would like to see you, and I thought, oh gosh, am I in trouble? Have I done something wrong with one day to go? It wasn't that at all. I went to see him and he just said thank you. He said, I want to say thank you for all that you've done.
And this summer, Daniels wrote a column about President Bush. You can read it by going to our website at WTHR.com.